This road is under BRO, and this is the road from Zuluk to NJP or Bagdogra or other places. And there are many homestays.
Many people live here.
A lot of people live. The condition of road, as you can see, is extremely poor, and it is clear that Border Road Organization absolutely doesn't maintain this.
Even though it's strategically very important.
Even though strategically the road is extremely important,
This is the Silk Route.
because this is the Silk Route, and from Zuluk the China border is not far. And you can see that yesterday there was a rain, and that made the condition of this road
Worst.
worse